Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'll show you Asilify Auto Garage Management System software. This is our admin panel. We can see overview. This unpaid invoice, active project, then project status, pending ticket, income ARP, APR, then tax status, income 2016, profit 2016, then total claims, total staff. This is graph chart is payment last 12 month. Then another option is client. You can see all client information. Then project and vehicles. You can edit project and vehicles, edit and delete also. Pending tax. Then expect part, unpaid part. Then insurance, accounts, quotation, invoice, payment, inventory list, then receivable, issuable, then suppliers, marketing, team members, then billing, setting. So many options you can customize. Company information, booking form, booking part list, security setting. This is your profile. You can customize your profile. If you need it, check the link in the description. For installing help, contact us. Thank you.